here. So today I want to try doing some on my Xbox. Let's see if we can plug. We don't have PlayStation anymore, but this is what I want to do. This wire will be connected, but let's put my game back in. So if you try using your Xbox, this is what you're gonna do. So when you go on one guide, since we don't have it reconnected, but we can connect it on the back disc. Put the Call of Duty game. Put that into that the way. This is how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna put the disc for this. Or I could put the. Should we put them? What Call of Duty game should we use? Or maybe we can put Call of Duty World War II or Black Ops 4. Because Call of Duty World War II is my other favorite games. I like. If I stack up two games, put one in, put the Xbox in. So this is what you're gonna do. I unplug my Xbox. This is what's gonna happen. See those two wires right there? Those connect to that cord. So if I try using one cord, this is how it's gonna work. One cord on the others. But if I try to connect one cord to the other Xbox, it can work. If I try, wait, maybe I can unplug my phone in there. I'm gonna get my zipper lace wire. Does it fit? Jesus Christ. The wire's not gonna fit. Oh, but just turn it off. So it's a no cable connection because I unplugged the wire off the Xbox. So I unplugged the wire. And I gotta think a way of unplugging it. Okay, hold on, let me switch the camera. So I gotta think about unplugging it. I'm trying to put the phone wire in, but it doesn't work. Because when you unplug all your wires, this is what you do unplugging your Xbox. I gotta unplug it in again. I think that connects, but there's still no cable connection. Then it switched back on already. So that's how you switch on your Xbox. Unless you could just take the two wires on the back. Like I was trying to plug my phone into one of those wires. Like I wanted to unplug my Xbox. So you gotta make sure to use those wires or the Xbox goes unplugged. So I'm gonna try turn it off, maybe switch the wire, turn off the Xbox. Like this is a bad idea, I hope, but I hope this Xbox is gonna work. So this is how you unplug this wire. Just a little tilted. See? I unplugged that wire. And then this wire. That means I unplugged all the wires. So I unplugged all the wires on the Xbox. This is not good. Carly, here you go. So we're gonna try unplugging them. See that? The whole ultimate Xbox. So I unplugged it. But it was that's how your Xbox works. Hope it's gonna work. So we got our Xbox, so we gotta unplug the wires. That's how you unplug an Xbox, everybody. Because if you don't know how to unplug it, I want to test you how to unplug your Xbox. Because I took the game out, my phone don't fit in there. So make sure to take care of your Xbox so it doesn't break. Or else. So we're loading into my Xbox. My Xbox One. Because suddenly I just unplugged all the wires and suddenly want to play. That's how you unplug a wire, everybody. Because whenever time I take in my Xbox, I just want to unplug all the wires. Bring that shit with me. Coming up, little guy connects it. It's gonna see my name. So whenever time do you get a P? Oh, that's my Xbox. Oh, see, we're on my account. Cat came in 1816. Oh, we gotta turn on my controller. Don't add these people, they're my friends. That's me right there on my Xbox. So if you go under profile, it's there. You'll see on this guy with dinosaur. You'll see what a person I look like. I have a lot of friends on here. A lot of games I play. I play like a lot of games. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the video, and that's how you unplug your Xbox. And I'm gonna show you that next time. I know in the plug there's a where portal you can put in. I've showed you guys out on my Skylanders. So anyway, I'm gonna play me some games. And I hope you guys have a great day, everyone. Bye.